Did you know that one sunflower can produce hundreds of seeds? But here's the real kicker: you can harvest them yourself and grow a whole field of sunflowers next year. That's right! With just a little effort, those tall golden giants can keep your garden blooming year after year. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to harvest sunflower seeds for planting, step by step. Let's get started. How to harvest sunflower seeds. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is harvest those seeds. Once your sunflowers have bloomed and the petals start to droop, it's time to get to work. Use a sunflower head stripper. This tool makes it easy to remove the seeds from the head without damaging them. Thresh the sunflower heads, gently rub the sunflower head to loosen the seeds. You can do this by hand or with a tool, whatever feels comfortable. Dry the sunflower seeds. Once they're out, spread the seeds out in a warm, dry place. Make sure they dry completely or they could spoil. How to clean sunflower seeds. Now, after you've harvested, you'll need to clean those seeds. No one wants debris mixed in with their sunflower seeds. Use a seed cleaner. A simple mesh or sieve works wonders to get rid of smaller debris. Remove the chaff. The chaff is the light, fluffy stuff that gets mixed in with the seeds. Just gently blow on the seeds or use a fan to separate it. Store the sunflower seeds. Once clean, store your seeds in a cool, dry place in an airtight container to keep them fresh for planting or other uses. Sunflower seed uses. Now that you've got your sunflower seeds, what can you do with them? There are so many great uses. Bird feed. Birds love sunflower seeds, and it's a great way to give back to nature. Human consumption. You can roast and eat the seeds yourself. They're a delicious snack. Oil production. Did you know sunflower seeds are also pressed for sunflower oil? It's great for cooking and full of healthy fats. Sunflower seed benefits. Let's talk about why sunflower seeds are so special. High in protein. They're packed with protein, making them a great snack for energy. High in oil, sunflower seeds are naturally high in healthy oils, which are great for your skin and heart. Healthy for the heart, eating sunflower seeds is a heart-healthy choice because of their rich vitamin E content. How to grow sunflowers. If you're ready to plant those seeds, here's how to grow your own sunflowers. Plant sunflowers in the spring. Once the frost is gone, it's time to plant. Choose a sunny spot in your garden. Water sunflowers regularly. These tall plants need plenty of water, especially in the early stages of growth. Fertilize sunflowers regularly to help your sunflowers grow strong and tall. Give them a bit of fertilizer. They'll reward you with those iconic, bright yellow blooms. And there you have it. From harvesting to growing, you now know how to collect and plant your own sunflower seeds. Whether you want to feed the birds, enjoy a snack, or simply fill your garden with stunning sunflowers, it all starts with just one seed. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.